So in this tutorial I will show you how to fix sound problems on Windows 10. This tutorial may also work for older version of Windows. So let's start from basic things what you should check before trying to update drivers and things like this. So first of all you need to check if playback device selected right. So to do so, click on such icon. You can find it here. So click on speakers icon and click on, you'll see menu like this one, and click on arrow like this one. And you'll see preferred playback device selection. So select the device. You may try to select different ones and see what device will work for you. So the next step, what you should check, if this step didn't help you, check if speakers are turned on and the volume is high enough to be heard. So if you are using desktop PC, check the back to ensure the speakers are plugged in correctly. So default jack is normally colored light green, so make sure to check this out. So the next step, what you should check is volume slider. So click on volume icon again, so it's here, right? And set the level of audio by moving the slider like this. So you can also set specific audio level for each application. So to do so, click and hold on the volume icon here again. And for mouse users, right click on the volume icon and you will see option like this one. So select here open volume mixer. So you will see volume mixer like this one, and here you can set each application audio level from here. So sometimes if you are using web browser, sound may be here or disconnected as well. So simply drag and move it up and your sound will be back. So if these steps didn't help you, you need to go to the control panel route. So to do so, hit the Windows key and go to control panel. So you can simply click start menu, type here control panel, click on it, and you'll see window like this. So you need to, in Windows 10, right? So you will need to click on hardware and sound. So when you will click on it, you will see sound options. So click on sound, and pop-up window will appear like this one. Select speaker and headphones, click on set default, click on OK. You may also restart your computer after this, and normally sound will be back on your Windows 10. So anyway, if still you do not have sound after completing these steps, you should run troubleshooter. So to do so, click on Windows key again, type audio in taskbar, and you'll see option like this one, find and fix problems with playing sound in results. So click on it, and then you may also simply go to start settings system sound troubleshoot. So start settings and follow this one tutorial. After that, you will see window like this one. Select current default device and click on next. So Windows 10 will scan for possible problems. Follow any available directions to resolve your audio problems, and restart your computer then. So guys, if still you will have a problem with your sound, then you should simply update your sound driver. So I will put this link in video description below, so you can follow all these steps. And if you need to download a sound driver, simply click on that link here and you'll see page like this. So here you can automatically update your drivers. So click on get started. It will find the driver for you, and it should solve your sound problem. Also here you can see available already drivers. It's locate operating system 64 bits. Yes, and click on download and reinstall, update your driver for sound. Okay guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to check link what I'll put in video description, and please comment under this video if this video helped you or not. Also, please like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.